After you have downloaded our software for Windows, you just right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. And we will recommend you to install it to your disk, so you need to change it. Create a quick launch shortcut and install. After you install the software, we recommend you to do some configurations before you run it. I'll show you how to do it. Going to run it and finish and refresh here. You will find this is our software, and this is our file. And remember to choose this, run this program as an administrator and apply it. Also, you can send it to desktop. So now it's okay for you to double click. Remember to choose the private networks and also the public networks. Allow access. And turn on your wireless main unit and search the Wi-Fi signal in here. This is our probe, and double click. Then you can connect it to your Windows PC like this. Now it's okay for you to do the exams. I'll show you some easy configuration like this. When you want to change the mode, you just click the color and remember you can see the yellow window. If you left click the mouse, it will change to this. Then you can resize the window here. If you left click again, you can move the color window. And if you middle click, it will release the cursor like this. And now I'll show you how to change to the pulse rate Doppler. Remove the S window and use the, you can try left click, then you can move the color window, left click again, you can resize it, and left click again, you can move the S window. Then you middle click, you release the cursor and click the update. And you will see pulse here to change the baseline. It's very easy to use. And after you finish your exam, you can just exit back to B mode. If you want to exit the software, you just try this and exit application. It's very easy to use. Some other system setup you can check here, and you can set the parameters like this. Now, after you finish the exam, you just exit application. It's a quick guidance for you. You can check the other parameters inside the software.